Hey guys, we're back at SSP today and we're working on the 2015 Crosstrek. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the headrest and to put it back on. For whatever reason you might want to remove the headrest to clean it or change it because the dog took a bite out of it. Pull up on it. At a certain point it's just going to stop. There's a button here, you push that and then it'll come out. It's got these notches right here. If you look inside here, there's like a little blade that catches it. So if you push it, so going back in, it's not going to want to go in unless you push this. Once you push that in, it'll slide in. Don't force it. It'll go in and it'll just lock itself back up to where it is. If you want to push it back down, you got to push this to go back down. And then this thing is like spring loaded. If you go all the way back, it resets. That's how you remove and reinstall a headrest on the seat. Front seat. The rear seats are the same way. Subscribe and look forward to more videos from our Crosstrek that we're tearing interior part on.